Today we are playing
Don't Choose the Wrong Button Challenge!
Okay, Sally, so how many buttons do we have? 1,
2, 3, 4.
And the colors are
Purple,
purple,
blue,
blue,
orange,
orange,
green,
and green. So we have 4 buttons. Okay, and if you are going to win, there's a big surprise.
Yes.
So there is a big giant egg.
Yes.
So there is 2 of them. There is no voice. There is no noise.
Yeah, and there's noise. And 2 of them, they have noise. So
Okay.
let's just say the green and purple have noise. But
Yeah.
I don't know actually.
Okay, so the winner will get this giant egg.
It's gonna be in my side.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Rock, paper.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Which is scissors? I have scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What did you do? Nothing.
Come on, Sally, rock, paper.
Okay.
Go.
Rock, paper.
Sally, no peeking. It's Sally.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Scissors.
Scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Scissors. Rock.
Ah, Dina. Okay.
Oh God. Okay. I'm gonna go with purple.
Wait. Come on. 3. Are you sure?
I'll go with blue actually.
Okay. Are you sure, Dina?
Yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Ah! There is no voice. Okay, Sally's turn. Rock, paper. Okay, rock, paper.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I did rock. Oh, I did scissors.
Ah, okay, Sally. Which one are you getting? Which one? Come on. Okay, are you ready? Come on, count, Dima.
3, 2, 1, go.
Ah! One more time. Oh, Sally. Okay, so you're going to get the egg. What do you think is going to be inside?
Chocolate.
Let's open it. Wow! Look, guys. What do you have, Sally? Look at this. Okay.
Aww.
This is so cute. Wow. Oh, it's a bracelet. It's so cute. Look at Dima. And what else do you have? Can I see it? This is so cute. Look, guys. Sally got those. Good job, Sally. What do you think, Dima?
It's really cute. Let's go to the second round. Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Look at this giant box.
Guys.
Are you excited, Sally? All right, let's do the rock, paper.
I think there is minions inside.
You don't know. Let's go.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What'd you do? Rock.
What? What?
I did something.
Okay, Sally.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh. Okay, Sally. Which one?
Yes. You're right, just left.
Go ahead. 3. Ah! Dima, Sally, good job. One more time. Do it. Come on, Sally. Yeah. Okay, so this is Snap Star.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Just open it, Sally.
It's so heavy. Can you open it? Yeah.
Wow! Look, their name. Okay, so we have 3 dolls. Look, the Snap Star.
Yeah.
Which one did you choose, Dima? Hey, Sally. Ooh, the pink and purple hair.
Where's the phone in a purse?
Yeah, her name is Lola.
Lola.
And this one, her name is Dawn. And this one, Aspen. Aspen.
I want both of them.
What do you think, Sally?
No.
Are you giving her? Of course, we are going to share.
Yeah.
Because sharing is
Caring.
caring. cute. So one for Sally and one for Dima and the other one for your sister, for Serene. Right? Which one did... Okay.